Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello, good morning. My car has been making a strange noise and it feels like it's losing power. I want you to check it, please.
Sure. When did you start noticing the problem?
It started 2 days ago. At first, it was a little noise when I accelerated, but yesterday the car almost stopped while I was driving.
I see. Did the engine light come on?
Yes, it did. The light appeared yesterday. Also, the car feels hotter than usual.
Sounds like it might be overheating, or there could be a problem with the engine. Have you checked the oil and coolant levels recently?
No, I haven't. I usually get my car checked every 6 months.
Okay, let me open the hood and take a look. The engine oil is low, and the coolant level is also low. This can cause overheating and engine problems.
Oh, I didn't know that could be so serious.
Yes, low oil and coolant can cause damage if not fixed quickly. I suggest we change the oil, refill the coolant, and check for any leaks or other issues.
Okay, and how long will that take?
About 2 hours. We will do a full inspection to find the cause of the noise and loss of power.
Okay, and how much will it cost?
The oil change and coolant refill cost about $80. If there are other repairs, I will call you with an estimate before starting.
That sounds good. Please go ahead.
Great! You can wait in the lounge or come back later today to pick up your car.
I'll wait here, thank you.
After 2 hours, your car is ready. We changed the oil and coolant, fixed a small leak, and cleaned the air filter. The noise should be gone now.
Thank you very much. It sounds much better now.
You're welcome. Remember to check your oil and coolant regularly and bring your car for inspections every 6 months.
I will. Thanks again for your help.